Now let's look at the same sounds, but with short. Ah, ah. On this chart, it's the A and the E together. Ah, ah. Cat, plan. Then there's pet, pen, head, bread, thread. With the TH, red, thread, said. And then the third short sound, sit, bit, fish. Sit, bish, fish. Now this is a sound that gets very difficult because it is an O, but you have to think ah. Ha, ah, right? Ah, father and car, ah, car. Hot, pot, top, hop. Hop, like a little boop, 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 little rabbit. Hop. Then we have this ugly sound. I call it the sun. It goes cut, up, Monday, sun, money, enough, rough, tough. All of these are the same sound. I'm sorry, I didn't make up this. I didn't come up with the idea that we needed to tell everybody where these words came from. This tells us where it comes from. It doesn't tell us how to pronounce it. Sunday, Monday. So that's why we call it, it sounds like Sunday. Money sounds like sun. Enough sounds like stuff. S-T-U-F-F. And so we don't need to use these symbols because you already know how to say sun. That's why we call it, it sounds like. There are three other sounds that are kind of funny. I call them foot, house, and dog. Here's the It's like you're pushing something. Okay? Okay, so it's foot, should, could, would, put, book, good, pull. Pull. Ow! Now, house, loud, cloud. Okay? Ow. Ow. So I call it the AU. Ow. Final one is an aw. If you have a baby, someone comes up to look at it, they say, "Aw, he's so cute." Okay? That's how you get the aw sound. It's not ow, no. It's not oh, not so, I saw, no. My students say, "I saw a shark today." I saw, no. I saw, saw. It's not lao, 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 no. Law, law. This is my jaw. Law, saw, dog, taught, caught, not cout. A and U, yes, but we say aw, aw, caught, bought. Don't say the L, it's talk, walk. Don't say the L, walk, not walk, no, walk. Very good. If you have questions about this, I want you to go to freeenglishlessons.com, or you can contact me. I'm on Skype. Steve Fort Lauderdale. How about that for a name, huh? Steve Fort Lauderdale. You can also email me, s2314@tmail.com. Write to me now so I can put you on a special email list. Only if you want some free English lessons. I recommend, for improving your pronunciation, that you listen to the MP3 files called I Believe. These are in the place called, what's the name? npr.org. Also on this particular CD, you will find some MP3 files, and you can listen, and there is a transcript that you can read, okay? So look for the interesting stories and files on this CD. Thank you.